Hi guys, this is LT Survival. In this video we'll see the filling up of the lantern. It's going to be a quick video and it's mainly done towards my cadets that are doing the distance learning. So bear with me, it's not rocket science. We're going to go through very quickly. First thing you're going to do is go towards the fueling points, which we have panned for not spilling fuel on the ground. Usually it's a plastic one. That's all I have here at home to do the same thing. So sorry, I'm not in the right position. So you need a couple of items: naphtha gallon, a funnel, or that gizmo if you have the old style gallon, which you could plug this in, but I think they changed the gallon, so we can't use that one anymore. First thing first, there's no fuel in that lantern, so it's pretty much safe to open it all the way. If not, you have to crack it slowly to let the pressure, and there is some pressure coming out. I'm not sure if you can, yeah, you can hear that, the hiss. So the pressure is coming out. It used to be naphtha in this one, but it was so old it didn't work, or I think it didn't work. It might be the generator that's stuck, so we're going to fill it up to find out. So you put your funnel in the hole. As you see, it's not straight, so you cannot leave the appliance on the ground when you're filling it up, so you have to pick it up. Safety gallon, you have to open it up. One trick, I'm going to put the cap back. One trick when you're emptying those cans: don't go this way, go that way. So that way the mouth is on top, so there's air that has space to go. If you go like that, the funnel, the mouth is submerged, so the air has to back in, and it makes big splash, which people miss the funnel most of the time. So if you do it this way, okay, tilt forward with the cap on top, you'll be able to fill your funnel much easier and without splash. Put everything in the pan and go over the pan, put the mouth through the funnel, and just go with small. Some of the naphtha might fall, but it's in the pan, so it's not a problem. Okay. Then you take your funnel out, put it over the mouth of the can, and close your lantern. That's it. That's all there is to it. Not a big mess, just a couple of drops that went down, but it happens. So that's it. That's done. So if you like this video, please click like and share, and we'll see you back in the next one.